Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download PS2 and PS3 games right on your PC. And remember, this is completely free, no disk, no console needed. And stay till the end, I'll show you the both emulators. Let's get started. Before going further, quick note before we start. This is the tutorial for educational purpose only. Please only download and use ROMs for games that you legally own. I am not responsible for any misuse or now let's open the browser
I got a vendetta against people who patented being
and you have to type ROM spun.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow,
Go to the first link and just type the name of the game that you wanted to download. I'll download the mine. I'll type mine. Now the download page appears. So here there are two things. The download ROM is a game that we wanted to download, and we have another one thing called download PS2 emulator, so which is used to play the game through this emulator only. So we will see this later. Now go with the ROM, and you have to select any one of these links based on your location, whether it is Europe, Korea, or USA. I'll go with the Europe one. And just press the download now button. Now you can see the download has already started. For time being, I have already downloaded this file separately. So I'll pause this and cancel the download. Now I'll show you how to download this emulator which is required to play this game. So the second thing, you have to download the download PS2 emulator. Just go on to click onto that, and you have to go to the PCSX2, which is one good emulator which I am using right now. So just press the download emulator. The download will be started. You have to go with the Windows one. Just press the download now button. As you can see, the download has started. For time being, these files also I have already downloaded. Then we'll check our downloaded folder. So the first one is you have to extract the downloaded file. Now we will get the ISO file, which is a ROM, and then the PCX X2 you have to extract that, and then you have to open the PCSX2 application file. Just double tap on that. Now you can able to see the downloaded ROM file here. If you can't see this ROM file already, just right click in the empty place and then add directory, and you can select the ROM that you wanted to see here and try to open it. And obviously you can see the error message. So it requires PS2 BIOS. You need to download the file again. Go back to the browser and just type PS2 BIOS files. And in the ROM one itself, it has a a PS2 BIOS file. And just try to download the European one, since I have downloaded the game in the European version. Yeah, the download has completed. Just open in the folder and just right click and extract the file. And just open the PS2, copy the BIOS file, and then go back to the PS2 PCS2, and it shows go to the tool menu and open the directory and paste this file. So I'll go to the tools, open data directory, and go to the BIOS folder, and I'll try to copy the BIOS and just copy the binary BIOS file and open directory and just paste it here. Yeah, that's all. And then just close it and close it again. All. Now I'll reopen this PCX2 emulator once again. And now try to open the game. Boom, it's now worked. That's it, guys. 2 consoles, 2 emulators, all free. If this helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop comment telling me which game you are playing first. See you in the next one. Bye bye.